Hi, I'm Mr. Lawrence, and welcome to Lightwalks. If you like what you see, please subscribe at the bottom of the screen. We're in Netivot today. Come on, let's go for a walk. When I travel and film walking tours across Israel, I often connect to public Wi-Fi's in parks, cafes and public places. To keep my connection secure, I use NordVPN. NordVPN helps protect your internet privacy and lets you browse safely wherever you are. If you'd like to try it yourself, scan the QR code on the screen or check the link in the video description below to get a special deal for viewers of Israeli light walks. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's continue our walk. Our first stop today is the resting place of Rabbi Yoram Abergel, one of the most influential rabbis associated with Netivot in recent decades. Rabbi Abergel was known throughout Israel for his Torah teachings, charitable work and educational institutions. Thousands of people attended his lectures during his lifetime, and many continue to visit the site to pray, reflect and pay their respects. Since his passing in 2015, the site has become an important destination for visitors and across Israel. While it would appear quiet when you first visit, people come and go throughout the day and night, stopping to pray, light memorial candles or spend a few moments in personal reflection. As we walk through the complex today, there are only a handful of visitors present, giving us a chance to appreciate the peaceful atmosphere of the site. Despite the calm surroundings, this remains one of the most important religious landmarks in Netivot and continues to attract visitors throughout the year. Today, the legacy of Rabbi Yoram Abergel continues throughout his teachings, institutions and many people who still visit it seeking inspiration and spiritual connection. And now we arrive here at the resting place of the Baba Sali. You can really feel the significance of it. This place that so many people come to pray, to reflect, or simply to stand here and take in a moment. There's a calmness to it, but also a strong sense of presence, like the connection people feel here hasn't faded with time. You often see visitors pausing quietly, saying a prayer, or just standing still for a moment. It's not a loud place or dramatic. It's something much more personal. Even if you come here just out of curiosity, you can still feel it. The sense that this place means something deeply important to a lot of people. It's quietly remarkable, really, how one place can bring together so many different people, all over their own reasons. You share it, yet sharing the same quiet space. And whether you come with faith, curiosity, or just passing through, it's a place that leaves an impression. Lawrence, I hope you enjoyed your video today at Netivot. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. See you again. Bye.